Hey guys, welcome to the first episode of What the Fudge.
We've been given this mystery box by Matt and Holly. All we know is we've got to open this and follow the instructions.
I've not got a clue. I really don't know how nice they've been or, you know.
It could be something really terrible in here or something really great. What the fudge is in this box? Okay, so we've got an instruction card, and before we go too far, this was done by our cousin Hayley.
Minnie, me and Alex.
Yeah, she's an amazing illustrator, and we'll link her stuff in the description box below so you can check
out
it
her
out.
stuff. She does so many cool drawings.
I think she's caught us pretty well, hasn't she?
Your hat is amazing.
And the beard.
And she even got my roots, but I'm actually kind of fresh right now. But usually I have those roots. Yeah. Hello, Kate and Alex. Welcome to your first WTF, What the Fudge challenge.
This week you will be working together to create a mouth-watering masterpiece, but don't worry, we know you're both very competitive. There will definitely be a loser in the end.
In this box in front of you, you'll find a recipe card for Kate's chocolate cupcakes, but there is a twist. Each ingredient marked with a red number has two options for that ingredient. You'll see that you have questions to ask each other. Each question is marked with a number that corresponds to the numbers on the recipe card.
If you get the questions right, not only do you gain a point for yourself, but you also get to use the correct ingredient.
Oh.
So if we get a question wrong into the mix, we're going to put the wrong ingredient. So this could get really nasty, couldn't it?
The winner of this week's episode will be the person who scores the most points from the questions.
And the loser has to tuck into your delicious cupcakes. First person to get a dog and bring it back to your seat will ask the first question. Go.
You knew
her
dog.
She didn't know what was going on, did she?
Oh, hi P. That was a good one.
Are you going to stay now? Are you going to stay? Good luck, guys. The WTF team. Sweet. Question number 1. Cocoa powder or soil?
Oh, no.
So, how many likes does your first British people trying American candy video?
Oh my word, I was literally looking at that video this morning and I don't want to over-like it if it's not.
Well, the thing is, it's hard because I kind of have a rough idea of how many views it's had.
Yeah.
But I couldn't tell you how many likes it has.
Is it 11,000?
No.
What the fuck?
Got 14,500.
14,000? I wasn't that
That's
far
pretty
off
good,
though.
isn't it?
Oh my
A pat on the back for us for the likes, but
thank you,
not a pat on the back for getting that wrong.
Oh my word, I think they're already going to be a waffle cupcakes.
Yeah.
That's soil.
Oh my word, it is, isn't it?
Are we allowed to eat that?
The thing is, when it's soil, does it matter if it's sifted? They're now not going to taste chocolatey, but because it was so fine, I'm always thinking, will you not notice?
I know, I'm hoping.
The real recipe to this will be linked in the description box below. Yeah, and they're actually really delicious when you make them normally.
Very good.
Let's see how they'll be when we do it this way.
The first step is to mix all of the dry ingredients together. So far, instead of cocoa powder, we've got soil. We've got plain flour, baking powder. Next question is for salt.
Or chalk.
Oh my word!
I'm not sure how I feel about
You're technically allowed to eat chalk.
How many views do you have on your channel to the nearest 100,000?
Oh my word. Okay, I'm hoping we've reached 300 mil.
300 million.
Oh my word, no! I'm not Rosanna
Pansino. 3 million.
Well, because ages ago we'd reached 2.5 million.
Yeah, ages ago.
Oh, ages ago. And we've got a video that's a million on its own.
Yeah.
4 million.
What the
You underestimate us so much.
Really?
We've had 8.6 million views. So that's wrong. Now we've got to put chalk in.
Yay! I'm not doing good. And your first question is so easy, Al. Okay, into a separate bowl, we now need to beat the butter and the 2 sugars until creamy. But it's not going to be that easy. We've either got unsalted butter or ketchup. What was the first ever video you uploaded to your channel?
Oh, I think that was...
Well, that doesn't come straight to your head.
Yeah, I'm joking.
Oh.
It's a lemon meringue pie, or to give it its proper French name, a tarte au citron.
They're two completely different desserts.
Oh, I said lemon meringue. No, I mean a tarte au citron.
Yeah.
It's Mary Berries, is it?
Yes, Alex. Oh, you panicked me just then. I'm like the most boringest person in there, aren't I? Today, I walk up to the counter.
We won't link that one below.
Okay, well you get us butter.
Yes,
Woohoo.
Here we go.
Ooh, you've got the next question, then I've got the other question.
In goes our butter. This is for caster sugar or salt. Okay, here we go. How many subscribers do you have? We'll accept 50 each side.
Okay, 109,000. 50 either side?
Yeah.
200. Hold on, is this from 10 a.m. this morning? 229?
Yeah, you've done it. It's 251.
Oh!
Good job we got that subscriber counter in our office.
Otherwise I would not know that at all. Right, thankfully we get caster sugar. I'm just so glad I finally got one question. Hold on,
Yeah.
so I've got 1 point. How many points have you got?
I've got 1 point because I got that one right, didn't I? So
Yeah.
we're even.
Okay, for soft light brown sugar or cinnamon powder.
Okay.
Now that's a lot of cinnamon, but I reckon
Is
it
it?
might taste nice. On what date did you upload your channel update video? Brackets, will accept correct month. They are evil.
At the beginning of this year, we just updated everyone saying it was January 2017.
So technically they were wanting you to say the channel update that we did like ages ago.
Yeah, but we did do one at the beginning of this year.
You did one at the beginning of this year, so technically we're right. They were wanting the one in 2015. Do you know what month we did it in?
May.
No, June. You were so close. Soft like brown sugar, do you want to add that in?
If we'd put cinnamon in, we might have been like, oh, actually, that's really good.
Nice. I like answering questions. Okay, and we need to beat these together.
Here we go.
Okay, so now that you've mixed that, they are just happily giving us the milk.
Oh, that's nice.
So I'm going to pour that into a jug, and they're also giving us the 2 eggs. Oh,
Hey,
adding a bit
plonk.
of shell into ours
Plonk.
wouldn't matter, would it?
No. There's
Okay.
already some soil in there. Why not add a bit of shell?
Now is the next question.
Okay,
And
great.
the final question. This is for either vanilla extract or balsamic vinegar.
Okay, great. Do you like a bit of tang in my cupcakes?
Okay, this is so hard.
Is it?
How many channels are you subscribed to? We'll accept 10 either side.
Oh. I don't think it's not that many. 40. What the?
We subscribe to way more than you think we do.
Really?
142.
Whoa.
We subscribe to 142.
If I just said 100 in front of that 40, I would have.
You would have got it. Oh. That's so sharp.
Oh.
So,
It went like straight up my
Yeah,
nostril
me
and
too.
hit me in the eye.
like, sniff really hard.
No, I just did. I don't need to do it again.
Oh, okay. Balsamic vinegar going in with the wet ingredients. Oh dear.
Or at this point, does it even matter?
No.
So excited.
Right now, oh.
Is that the end of the questions,
That's the
though?
end of the questions.
So what was the score then? I got 2 of your questions right, didn't
And
I?
I got one.
You only got
Ah!
one. So I'm happy because for the rest of the video, I'm safe in the knowledge that Kate's gonna have to eat these.
And I'm eating my delicious soil
Balsamic
cupcake.
soil.
Oh. Okay, it's fair to say that this is not usually what my mixture looks like.
Yeah,
It's so,
so
liquid.
liquidy.
That is, oh actually it's thicker than you think.
Is it? It doesn't look it.
I think I'm gonna bring the case to me. Right.
How nice.
These now need to go in the oven for 18 to 22 minutes. I always do mine for 21, that's perfect. So I should see.
I don't know why you're saying that because it's not going to mean anything
Well, you
to
can
this.
follow along. I'll leave the correct ingredients in the description
Yeah.
box. You can follow along. Off to the oven.
And Kate's going to enjoy them when they're back.
My cupcakes are out of the oven. And do you know what?
I love how you say my cupcakes because you are the one who will be eating them.
They actually look like cupcakes. They've
they
risen
smell
quite
good.
nicely. And they do. The kitchen smells really nice. I think I'm going to go for that one because that looks amazing. I'm just going to picture this as a lovely, healthy muffin. Go
I
on.
love the fact you think healthy muffins taste like soil.
Soil. I don't mean it like that. Cheers.
Enjoy.
Oh my word.
It's crunchy.
It's so grippy. Can you hear it?
Yeah, I can hear you crunching it.
Oh my word.
I think you've got to swallow one.
Who
one
knew?
mouthful.
It's like there's loads of glass broken up.
That's like I was saying when we were mixing it. It kept making that horrible noise.
It's like sand.
Yeah, it's probably like flattening all your teeth up.
It's like you've been, oh my word. It's like you've been to a long day at the beach.
And sand gets
You
everywhere.
know, sometimes when you bite your teeth later on and you hear a bit
Yeah.
of crunches and you're like, how the heck did sand get my teeth? As I breathe out,
You can get it at the back.
I'm so soily. My mouth tastes like soil.
Baked
Oh,
goods.
go on, bite it so you get the grit. So you can understand what I'm talking about.
Oh, yeah. Just on the first
It's
bite.
so gritty. I didn't know if you'd get it on the top.
Did you swallow it?
Yeah. Oh my word. Even that tiny bit has
So
it.
gritty.
We may as well do the tiebreaker
Yeah.
question.
How many views does your strawberry and white chocolate cheesecake video have?
Oh my word. Strawberry and white
I don't
chocolate.
even remember.
3,211.
Was it a slice? I think 6,000. You sold it so short. 59,428.
And it's a really delicious cheesecake, so go check it out and give it some more views. I actually really enjoyed that.
I really enjoyed that.
Really cool concept to do. The questions, you know.
Hashtag concept
Hashtag
LMS.
concept. Really good concept. I love the fact that there was a winner and a loser.
There is a continued point scheme. So
Yes.
my win this week rolls over till next week.
So we're leaving with Alex in first place.
Yeah. And then at the end of the series, there'll be an overall winner, overall loser, and one big forfeit, or maybe a cup. So
No.
I'm excited to see what they've got in store for us.
Every video is going to be different. Hope you guys enjoyed that. We definitely enjoyed doing that, didn't we?
Especially since Kate lost.
Of
Made
course.
it all the more sweeter for me.
Anyway, we'll see you all next week. Bye, guys.
See ya.